Okay, the daddy of the Ford Ranger family just arrived, the Raptor. A little while since we've had one of these, a real popular addition to our stock. Anytime we get one, this will be no different. In shadow black metallic, this is a new but registered vehicle on a 24 plate. It's only done 600 miles. It's a 2-litre diesel Ecoblue engine, which I think, for me, could be the selling factor because a lot of these are petrol. VAT qualifying on the website. You've got to see this in real life. It's absolutely massive. If you've never jumped in one before, it's basically a fully loaded version built for off-road with smaller alloy wheels, big all-terrain BF Goodrich tyres and different suspension setup. So if you're going to take this off-road, it'll do it brilliantly well. It's built by the Ford racing team, so you can imagine what it's like to drive, the performance on-road and off-road, and then the style features you get, especially from the front end with the big Raptor grille with the Ford badging. Now this is fully loaded, so basically you've got the performance LEDs to the front, we've got 360 camera, we've got Bang & Olufsen stereo, we've got heated front seat, heated steering wheel. So much to talk about on the inside, but it's the exterior style that gives it that little bit more with the extended arches. The decals on this vehicle, which I don't think we've had one with the decals on before, onto the bonnet, into the rear door and over the rear arches with the Raptor detailing it. That looks really sporty. I like that a lot. This has also got the Raptor pack, which gives it detachable tow bar. It also gives it your electric roller shutter, which is a one-touch thing. You know, you can do it off a button in the boot like so. It's also in silver, which matches the truck really, really well. We've also got a 12-volt and a 3-pin socket on the left-hand side. And you'll see the tow bar we've took off is brand new. Load liner as well, so it's ready to go to work if you're going to take it to work. You've got towing hooks right and left for the Raptor, and then the detailing like the black Ford badging, the Raptor badging, and then more decals round the back. If you walk with me, you see we've got, I think it's 13-pin electrics for the tow bar down here. It is easy to put the tow bar on and off, and this is in a brand new condition. So, you know, 600 miles, you're buying yourself basically a new truck. It is registered though. If we look at the wheels, so smaller wheels for the Raptor, 18-inch, almost in like a dark satin finish. We've got BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres, really filling the arches well. And then the inside, the good bit. Extended steps or bigger steps for this vehicle. As soon as you get in, you'll notice the Ford Performance badging, and then it's the details in one of these. So Napa leather, which is beautiful. It also matched with some Alcantara detailing to these. But the seats are lovely with the Raptor. If you look here, I mean, just look at this. Just little features that you're going to really enjoy. The red stitching. Steering wheel's the same with the Raptor detailing on it, even into the vents and around the screen. Then these come with adaptive cruise. You've got lane assist, you've got blind spot assist, you've got electric driver's seat, which is heated steering wheel. Very, very sporty to sit in for sure. Automatic gearbox with the paddle shift in the Raptor, so you've got plus and minus. You can change the gears manually if you do wish so. And then little cool features, we've got the sketch pad, which my little boy or my little girl would love how driving around in it to draw pictures on. We've also got this, which is a 360 camera, so top view camera, reversing camera, climate control digitalized. You've got heated front seat, heated steering wheel, climate control. You've got your wireless phone charging, wireless smartphone integration, your different drive modes, high range, low range gearbox. It is of course 4-wheel drive. But then look at this, the dash. It's almost like an Alcantara, but it's not. And it runs through into the passenger side with some like carbon effect trim as well. Roof lining is black, and then if you're in the B pillars, look, we've got the B&O stereo, and if you saw that or not, but it's just first class. It's done 600 miles. It's on the website now. It's VAT qualifying, if that'll mean anything to you or not. And it's a great colour, shadow black with the Raptor pack. This is on the website at the right price, which means we'll sell it pretty quickly. So if you're interested, call me. It's Richard. My number's on the screen. Thanks for watching.